Welcome back to All American Motors. Today we are going to be installing some leaf spring helper springs from O'Reilly's. The part number is 111035, listed right here. These are the 3-inch wide ones today because my truck is 4-wheel drive. This is actually a 92 F-150. So I thought, hey, I have hauled some heavy loads and some loads that, even some lighter loads, have made my springs sack, made it go like, whoa. But anyway, we're going to install these today. Let's get to it.
First, we did the other side so we'd know how to do it.
Like that. Basically just gonna put on a U-joint in the front, a U-bolt in the back. See here, I've already done the other side. I've got a video about it too. I don't know. You'll see which one we post. Back on here. You know, run over and grab that claw hammer. Goes like that, huh? I'm just gonna put my got a regular washer, a lock washer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put my nuts on. And then we won't go too far because I'm hoping that sometimes you can use a clamp to clamp this side down, but let's see if we can get it without a clamp. And then where do I have to go? On my application, I have to end up breaking this little plastic piece off. Alright, let's get our U-joint over here. You would have had me
Clamp?
Yeah, that clamp. There's one on the other side. Yep. This will help just be able to get our nut on a little bit easier. Oh, come on. Alright, go ahead and loosen this clamp off. Grab our impact with a 90mm in our case. Like I said, I got these from O'Reilly's for about 60 bucks. Oh, don't reverse. Now I'm gonna just impact my motor. Try to keep them even.
What are you doing?
Tighten them up.
Are you waiting for it to be at torque spec?
Yeah, but probably won't happen. It didn't happen on the other side.
Wait, really?
No.
You never got them to torque spec?
Yes. Just gonna tighten them up. This side I'll get touching the metal right here. This side I'll just get pretty close.
Okay. Gotcha.
This side is just harder to get it impacted in because the muffler tailpipe's right here. And the other side I just tight until it was as deep as my deep socket could go, and then I was like, well, they're probably good enough.
Oh, really? What are you supposed to do?
It's supposed to be about 75 to 80 foot-pounds, but I didn't even get that on this side.
Really?
Switch back to the impact, so I'm gonna do this other side. Is that good, you think? See what the grip says. See if I can get these close to. See how much torque you can get on it. Probably pretty good.
Why aren't you gonna try to torque them just to whatever?
So I don't want to over tighten that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Do they feel like they're gonna get over tightened?
Starting to bend this bracket up.
Yeah.
Starting to bend that little piece of plate up, so I'm
Okay.
gonna go ahead and leave it.
Yeah.
That's as much as I can really reach. We're gonna leave it like that. Oh, we got one set of the helper leaf springs installed. If I need another set, I'll get another set. Like I said, they were only about 60 bucks at my local O'Reilly's. This time, just for smooth. Just set them on you, 3-inch. You just put the C clamps on. The U-bolts on, yeah. And then this plate, 2 washers, bolts, bolt them up. I bolted this side down tight. This side isn't exactly down tight. I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. We'll do upcoming another video on our review of these. I believe I'm hoping to. We'll have them test out this side. I just kind of have to grind a little bit here and a little bit on this side because this lower leaf spring had kind of moved out of the way. Other than that, we're done. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Give us a like if you liked the video, and subscribe for more. Hit that bell, turn on that bell. I'm a little bit sick, so don't zoom into my face. Time to work on the Mazda.
No.